Alright, so I'm in the kitchen again, and you know what? It dawned on me the other day when I was in one of those army survival shops that I'm kind of sick of paying the earth for things. And you know what? There's these fuel tablets you can get that you can cook your soup up and all that for survival. And this is, well, kerosene? Yes, you can use that to fuel things as well. But you know what? In the survival area, you don't want to be carrying a lot of this stuff around. You want a lightweight kind of thing. But these fuel tablets you see are pretty much made of candle and this. So I'm going to take this old pot, melt these waxes down, and make a few tablets using some of these which I got from Kmart. However, I'm also going to have a little fun. I'm going to mix one of these in one of them. That's a party sparkler. Yeah. Well, you know what? If you break the stuff down, all that, it's really sparkly. I thought that's just a little for fun. I don't recommend you do that. I'm just going to do it on one of these little trays, and the rest are all going to be fueled. Okay. Anyway, give me a second while I move the camera. So you can see all right, so I've got the pan here. I'm just going to quickly turn the stove on. Give it ever lights up. There we go. Now I don't want this high, I just want this low as it possibly can go. Then you put the pan here, and then it's as simple as this. We're just gonna pop these in. Oh, it's too big. Put the string in as well. Doesn't matter. Pull the string out later. The 8-pack of. Okay, and we're just gonna let this sit here for a bit, and I'm going to fast forward it. Alright, so that was the first bit, melting it. Now I filmed it so you can see it. I mean, everyone wants it. So the next thing is this. Oh, you just think, oh, it's gonna blow up the picture, man. Whoa, you're crazy. I mean, how do you think they did these things in the first place? Okay, so you can buy one of these little camping stoves, and sure enough, you can do something with it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add about 100 mils. Should be more than enough to make it more flammable. I think that's not enough, but you know what? You still need the wax to reharden. Okay? Okay. Now, during that little time while it was melting, I put all the sparkler juice into this one here, and then the rest are just going to be fuel things. That's just for a bit of fun. I'm going to throw that in and burn it off a little later, and it's for myself. I mean, I might video it as well. I don't know. Anyway, so I've got about 100 mils here of this to about 8 candles, your basic candles. So that's what we're following there. Right, so just give me a second to move the camera back into its position. Right, so there it is. I'm just going to pour these into the mold. With the sparklers, I have to give a little mix because air lumps and so forth. Oh, it's ugly. Hope it does look right. Doesn't look like it. Add a little more. That'll be nice and fun later. That's like a fun thing to do. Okay, if you're gonna do that one, put in a thing. Anyway, I'll fill up the rest. Have a few extra. You know what? I'm just gonna let this set, and you guys can enjoy watching it set. Well, I'm not going to bore you with the details of them hardening and all that because honestly, I'm pretty solid already. So, you know, pretty good. They're going solid. They're still a bit thingy on the bottom. I stopped the camera there for a bit just because, you know, I didn't see the point of turning up the whole thing. But starting to harden up slowly. Look, I'm going to say that these take about 2 hours to 3 hours to harden up. But you know what? You got the kerosene and that sort of lights up and so forth. I put a little wick on the one which I've got little sparklers on them, but yeah, that's the project. Once this is dried out, I'm going to push them out and show you some, probably light one up and put it on this video as well, so yeah, enjoy. That's how hopefully this all worked, because this is a bit of an experiment as well. I just took the idea of mixing a bit of kerosene with the bloody candle wax, and that's pretty much all these things are, so yeah. Alright, so it took a bit for these to dry. Comes out like this, has a bit of a blue tinge to it. I got here is my rocket stove. Only a small thing. I'm going to pop it in here for safety reasons. Okay, I don't know how good this is going to be. I'm going to light this up. So, give me a second while I drop the tripod. Don't think we're going to get very good at here. You know what, I might just raise the trap. Yeah, unfortunately for safety reasons I can't keep the camera like this, so I'll be disconnecting the moment. But the moment of truth has come. Not perfect. I don't appear to be catching a fire as much as I first thought. However, I will say this now. Oh, there we go. Catching the light a bit. Unfortunately, the kerosene does not seem to be working as well as I first thought. Although, I did only put 100 mils of that stuff. Next time, 200 mils. No, I take that back. It's actually going rather well. There you go. It's a light. There you go. One fuel tablet. Perfect. Oh no, it's a fuel tablet. How long will that last? Alright, now you have proof it works. As you can see, the bit of wood is sunk to the bottom and the fire is sitting on top of it now, and it's just going to keep on going. Similar to what candle would. Anyway, let's blow that out, and you get the idea. One fuel candle. It burned very well. Now for the fun one. We all remember me putting sparklers in one of these. Let's see how this one works. Put a wick on this one. I'm just using matches. It probably would be safe for myself. Nice. Alright. So, this will take a few minutes to melt down. Based on this little experiment, I'd say up to 100 mils of kerosene will put 200. Okay? Once this one here hits the spark, it's going to go. And then this one's just about the second. said, sparkling bit. Well, it certainly did give us a fair bit of light and fire. But, you see how it just kept the light at the bottom of my my little stove there, which is a tiny little rocket stove. Well, as you can see, it just kept relighting, kept going and going and going. I mean, we all know what kerosene does. We all know what wax does. Wax is slow burning. Kerosene is slow burning. Two combination. More like survival. I reckon if you got some firewood, one of them in the fire, make sure it's well secure with rocks. Well, that's good survival. But I'd probably go smaller on the fuel side of things. Wasn't as flammable by the pants as I first bought, so maybe I put about 100 mils of kerosene into the wax. My suggestion is maybe go 150 wax and the wax, pour it into your bowl to make pumpkin gold bicycles and giant jumping ones like I have. Anyway, that's my video on fuel tablets, and like I said, the one you saw just kept on going and going and going. It's just me having some sparklers on it, so yeah, and disclaimer on that one. Don't do that one. And if you are going to experiment with something like this, make sure you have a contained area like that over there. I will at some point make another one of those rocket stoves. I was personally just wondering if it would ever work. I will eventually make another, and when I do, I'll video on it. I find it seems to be one of them right now, another one anyway. But when it comes along, I will. I'll let everyone who wants to watch that video coming up. Like I said, I'm doing some how-to videos, trying to come up with something creative and build it up. Hopefully you can all keep up with me. And hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the rumble, hit whatever I put you on. Right? And do me a favor. Like I said, if you do this, make sure you do it very safely, and you know, and I wonder what fuel tablets are for. Well, just after that, usually these tablets are used for like army style little stoves, and well, as you can see, I think I'm just superior kicking your ass with something a lot better. If you are going to store these things, I suggest wrapping inside tin foil. That way it can get warm or in that shape. And like I said, I'd go about 150 mils kerosene. Anyway, but remember, if you're going to add sparkles to it, then extreme safety. I mean, you could probably set that metal bowl equal distance from everything. That would really be safe. As you saw, bursting right from the light.